Hi students, today we are going to discuss about lines and angles, ninth class 4th chapter, exercise 4.3, 8-bit. In the figure, the arrowhead segments are parallel. Find the values of x and y. In the given figure, this line parallel. This line is transversal. From the figure, this angle is 60 degrees, this angle is x degree. Which angles are corresponding angles are equal. X equals 60 degree. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. This angle is 59 degree. This angle is y. Which angles are alternate interior angles are equal. Y equal 59 degree. Therefore, alternate interior angles are equal. Find the values of x equal 60 degree, y equal 59 degree. Ninth bit. In the figure, the arrowhead segments are parallel. Then find the values of x and y. In the given figure, this line is parallel. This line is transversal. From the figure, this angle is 105 degree. This angle is 105 degree. Reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Sum of three angles is 180 degree. 35 degree plus 105 degree plus y equal 180 degree. Therefore, form a straight angle, straight line. 35 plus 105, 140 degree plus y equal 180 degree. Y equal 180 minus 140. Y equal 180 minus 140 equal 40 degree. Y equal 40 degree. This line is parallel. This line is transversal. This angle y, this angle is x. Which angles are corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, x equal y. Y value equal 40 degree. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. Find the values of x equal 40 degree, y equal 40 degree. 10th bit. Find the values of x and y from the figure. In the given figure, this line is parallel lines. This line is transversal. This angle is x. This angle is 120 degrees. Parallel lines, outside angles. Exterior angles, same side of a transversal. From the figure, (120) plus x equal 180 degree. Therefore, co-exterior angles. X equal 180 degree minus 120 degree. X equal 180 minus 120 equal 60 degree. Find the x equal 60 degree. This line is parallel. This line is transversal. This angle is x. This angle is 3y plus 6. Which angles are corresponding angles are equal. X equal 3y plus 6. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. X equals 60 degree equal 3y plus 6. 60 degree minus 6 equal 3y plus 6 is transposing to left hand side minus 6. 60 minus 6 equal 54 equal 3y. Y equal 54 by 3. 3 18 ja 54. Y equal 18. Find the y value equal 18 degree. 11th bit, from the figure x and y. In the given figure, this line is parallel lines. This line is transversal. This angle is x. This angle is 65 degree. This angle is 52 degree. Sum of two angles. Parallel lines inside angles. Same side of a transversal. From the figure, x plus 65 plus 52 equal 180 degree. Therefore, co-interior angles. X plus 65 plus 52 117 equal 180 degree. X equal 180 degree minus 117. X equal 180 minus 117 equal 63. Find the x equal 63 degree. This figure, observe that this figure, right angle triangle. Sum of three angles, 52 plus 3y plus 5 plus 90 degree equal 180 degree. Therefore, interior angles of triangle 52 plus 5 57 plus 90 147 plus 3y equal 180 degree. 3y equal 180 degree minus 147 degree. 3y equal 180 minus 147 equal 33. Y equal 33 by 3. 3 11 ja 33. Y equal 11 degree. Find the y value equal 11 degree. 12th bit. Draw figures for the following statement. If the two halves of one angle are respectively perpendicular to the two arms of another angle, then the two angles are either equal or supplementary. Draw a figure. Two arms, 1, 2. one angle perpendicular to the two arms of another angle. One, two. This angle O A B P Q R. OA perpendicular to PQ, and OB perpendicular to QR. OA perpendicular to PQ. This angle is 90 degrees. OB perpendicular to QR. This angle is 90 degrees. Sum of four angles, quadrilateral, sum of four angles equal 360 degree. 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. These two angles are sum of 180 degrees. Angle O, angle Q are supplementary. Draw another figure. Two arms of one angle OAB. Two horns, one angle perpendicular to the two arms of another angle. P Q R. Two horns, one angle. OB perpendicular to PR. This angle is 90 degrees. OB perpendicular to PR. OA. This line is extends. OA perpendicular to PQ. OA perpendicular to PQ. Four sides, this side, this side, this side, this side are equal. Angles are equal.